Well, what tori wey dey enter for we ear for place where they call am say Fundong, where they don't meet up die body for some uniform man, and inside the die body con people them. We hear say this uniform man he be done lost for the past 2 weeks. They only meet up the die body for Fundong side today, and na so too for National Assembly last bill wey e get for keep honor them for inside National Assembly for 1 year. E don last enter for inside National Assembly. Sabi say first time Oga Speaker Sesep he put Nzolo for that honorable them last that book e don enter for National Assembly. This afternoon we go talk palava for SDF wey confusion dey for inside him for SDF for that side. So for Bafusam for Sika president wey dey put am wey plenty of the SDF people them they no be dey time wey vote e be dey happen. We go take una go to for Logbesu for inside Douala here. They call am na Logbesu Market wey for Sika big water hole. Plenty people them they wan start pack their thing them for comot for that place. Tori wey newspaper dem say dey talk, I go bring am this afternoon. Big part talk e dey tell we say person wey e knack e head better e must to lick e hand after. I say person wey e knack e head better e must to lick e hand them after. Na you Nkwanora for that side, so for Simbok for Yawinde. Now you send with big part talk for this afternoon. I return back small time. Good afternoon again, country. Asabi say honor don't turn up for tele for see waiting and hear waiting where they pass for we country. As we talk, Wawotori for that side, so they call am say Fundong, we uniform man, they meet up am. But for that side, for Bafusam, I say for that side for Bafusam, SDF party, just as we be one ton make style happen for that side for Southwest. For that side, meeting it happen where he vote the former mayor for that side, so for Bafusam one, for him for be like president. Now Oga Senator Sesep e be dey for day, but this palava no be waka fine. For Sika say no be na all man e be dey for that dongamen where they vote new person. So the one e don make am even person Sesep wey e be she done for that chair where him Sesep no be dey present. Time wey they be dey make this vote, he talk say that one they never respect commandeer. When na the so National Executive Committee peoples where they be the meet up for Bamenda they be put am. Sabi say they begin authorize say when they want do and they get for following a commission. The man na man wey he be don't get for common oga defo. Na he be dey like president, but he say no be dey time wey they be the make vote for inside SDF. So for that side for Bafusam one. Now book that where big people dem for SDF they be don't write am and they don't talk say anything wey get for pass. He must to follow now according to this book where executive committee don't take where they talk say now only list or person where he be there for that charge he be get for local town. So confusion don start enter for inside Bafusam one SDF who e go be and wetin e go happen next. Sabi say thing wey be pass for that side so for Kumba. Now we wan start take style for pass so for Bafusam and neck e go surely talk small time whether they leave am or they no leave am. So we go hear wetin wey go happen as well this past palava e don start for happen for inside SDF for West. We turn back for inside Douala here for talk this palava gutter hole 15 meters wey deep. Now how this way be fair dey small, but since wey they put the gutter one at the see am with the block, na way ground e dey chop. See house as we suspend. Anytime house to fit tumble side. For Sika say anytime we rain e dey fall, ground e dey chop. See people dem wey dey she done. Poto for outside when rain e fall, wey no dey for them for even put their food dem see. Na place wey put the she done for Logbesu Market. Man e dey trouble for big house wey no dey. They don write letter plenty. They give am for Oga Ezio. Abeg, can't help we. Trouble dey. Can't help we. Ezio the only she done e dey make like say I know the here. But people dem for that side. For inside Logbesu Market, na true inside Poto the day. See as we house Chakara. Now for Sika plenty water where you know the only dig that hole deep, but e don the Chakara housing too. For Sika say water dey turn up now only for on top people dem for corner housing. So big water hole so they make am. Na way e don cause all confusion so for inside place where they call am say Logbesu Market. Now for inside Douala here, Some people they don't dey check say for park their thing there. Yes, they don't dey check for park their thing there. They dey blame people the way they make the water hole, say na dem dey get am. Say all the houses so the as well water dey pass na so to the ground e dey chop. Small time when I go hear say water e don chakara house for that side. But last after the tori house e wan comot for day, we see motor for company wey be fix that gutter. E don dey make style like say e dey make some small work for day. But anyhow, na for palava for company and for inside governor for say make they look as well that one if e pass. We be meet up with some sister for that side. Make we hear wetin wey e talk.
Nothing no be there for here like gutter. But after some time when these people then come for can start road, they send water for this side. As they send the water now, the water over plenty. As the plenty, the water as rain before it dig the gutter for this, so they don't come for this level way they now so. So when the things start now, they be called and say they can't look them. They can't look them. They go them back. They can't look them. They go them back. And if they be arrange them, not enough to be off to this moment. If not enough to happen.
All thing for Cameroon, one time now only when thing don't work before you see people that way they come for they get for do the work, they return back. So sister, if the tell you say we don't start prepare your kako then to say one wrong go.
In fact, now because we not get people that leave the house, one load the impact now because we not get side for go. If we don't get side for go, for don't go away. Or the especially they can't help this the man will get this compound. Don't over put money for this compound. If this compound for now, if you don't get even side for go. Every day woman they cry. Every day picking they do they cry. Yes. If you don't go now, sometimes the woman for don't already, sometimes for don't die. Say I just be now for same.
Well, if you dey enter for Douala, you want buy land, no buy any kind of land. For Sika say water too na some one problem for inside Douala, for enter for inside house. Other people then too they dey hear hot, we go talk this palava back. Ndobo. Now other people then now for inside Douala. For Douala 4, road for enter for Ndobo. For Southwest Slaughterhouse, Ishidon. Now come and see. The roads Guataho, you know they now only hold them with water we don't turn up. They hold them if you enter for inside. Water fi carry you, cover you all. Yes. They hold them as well they see that hold them and water will turn up. The one way you over deep pass, now one way they cover all your skin. You understand? So people then for that they ask question whether they dey for inside Douala or na say they dey for outside Douala. They don't understand. For Sika say they kind of hold them. And water will turn up. Even Okada man say enter for inside that hole. It is lost. Okada they take na nyati for corner. Yes, nyati for Sika say the whole step. The whole na different level. Now he mean say waiting. That people that they talk say roads, they only spoil the go. People that they get for work, they know they can't work. They only see as well the roads, they only spoil. They go, they go. Even for enter for your before house or for inside your house, if you no get tired them for put them for before, then you jump when no dey or you put some small stick so that if you put your foot on top enter for your house. See the one there na tire so they go now for different my house so now so that people them from double they hear back water e dey enter for inside house, water e dey for roads, water e dey for outside. No guataho. On a tell we talk. Make we take some of the people them for that side for Ndobo.
Come now we see. That time we go for feed. They go bring rice with the small bread with the top. Now election don't pass. Now more than 5 years this. Small time election they finish. It never pass so here. Small time election they come again. It go come again. They go come in their numbers. Politicians them for country we say no more vote them. You yourself look the road as well the road day. Escape the road fine my brother. No you say look the road. Election don't come again. It go bring with rice again. Say more chop. More we go again. We go vote. We there with the swim inside water. Gutters do not dey. Dirty the whole place. Government delegate say we no even know whether we get government delegate for Bunaberi. Or the government delegate for Douala. It even pass for Bunaberi. I know the talk say from Ndobo. For this side from Ndobo. We slaughterhouse. Look road dirty the whole place.
You dey see the road. You say you see how the road dey. The road no good. Every day we vote mayor checking and mayor go fix the road. They can't fix the road. Now is that come dirty that wait for water for pass no day. They want me they can move a dirty for say me water they pass at least dirty the block water for road. Me the water no pass. Water head then they. With the checks at them, they go talk for mayor. Then they say their own work now only for just the stay. When election one come, they talk say, "More can't vote them, can't use small beer more they drink." So at least, I beg, Oga, when I try talk for mayor, me can't look the road. I hope say that then they do.
When they give mimbo, you also drink. They give rice, you go also chop. They give beef, you go also chop. No be so. Make we hear one of the persons who don't sit down for inside that quarter for plenty time. He try for talk wetin we don't do and waiting it make that road where it ever get water and where the roads it is also spoil.
For more than 18 years today, I'm been president for soft development since 2005. I try open one route, the biggest route with Kati people. At times days the glitz never be. But if we don't be some habitants, if we don't be now only block gar and water side will be. So we try open this road. I will be president that time for soft development. I try my own way for open the road. We will get river for the way I try take caterpillar, broke the 2 gutter with our own contribution for quarter. Don't try all that way, but Mary never ever help us and never help we. No one day. Mary never help we for talk true. If you look we in double year total for the whole double, Mary never help we. For we will do for how long are they here? The road remains with a remain. How Isaac can carry the two? Isaac can't for go tight because no better road no day, no gutter where water they pass. And there's some place where they maricage. Double na place where na maricage. So if you got better gutter, they know the better route no day, water go stand and it go so open and wait for intercept for us, wait for carry Sigmango hospital and not go be.
Okay, we go left chapter from the board. Sabi say other people them they talk now for Chief Robert Mukube microphone. One of we item for that side so for inside Bonaberi so country people them. Now so we go enter for different chapter with the photo them. Now we go talk the one. Now moto this way police people they catch them for that side so for Bamendam. It be they carry a sharp sand inside the skin. But no be now only sharp sand. As well they open sharp sand. Con the people them they meet up now the strong cigar them for inside the sharp sand where they so dead man. It don't tie for inside. According to Tori we enter for we EM, they tell you say this man na person way it ever made binet for inside this chapter for sharp sand. So they don't catch him, carry we oughting, go with him, no be now only sharp sand, it be get sharp sand and strong cigar for inside, where it be one go sell and Bena for whose side? No ask me. Tori enter for we ESA department, it is for do binet inside Sawes and Douala Yem. How it take enter for Norway's na the BB thing that way no man he never fit for talk. So police people that don't catch him carry go with a sharp sand. We take una go for that side so where they call am to say Tombell for talk say Tori House for Maniguba voice he don't born. They no sabi who they can born Tori House for that side so for Tombell voice for Maniguba as well they call am so they say fire am he commode no person no sabi the only one come we they don't already put fire for inside the Tori House. The one na so palava for Norwest Hours where it happen where they call am the Tori House in name private Tori House voice for Maniguba where they born and so for that side. They never so sabi who he put fire for that side and waiting a pass before they put fire for inside that Tori House. Just for sabi say people themselves for Tombell, Tori they enter for we ear, they never get light for more than 1 month and a half now for Sika say transformer is spoiled. Another story for photo na this accident for gendarme people them where he make accident yesterday for that side so for Sop Hill it be come up for Tombell it be come up for Nkambe it be they go for that side so for Bamenda for go help other gendarme people them thing it chakara some Okada where it be carry 2 women them for back. For that place, 3 people then die for civilian. Then we get 3 gendarme people then 2 they die. Plus another one where last die for hospital. We hear say 11 gendarme people them they dey for hospital where they sick. So the motor for Sika say over Chakara, it no be last reach Bamenda. So, con the people them that the small one, then that will get them for now for this afternoon. Make we enter for Toriwe newspaper. They say they talk we go start with the guidance post where they for outside where they tell we same. Ebide na hoha na for some time where soldier people them Kamamburu they meet up with Ambazonia people them inside that hoha where fight be happen. 6 people then die for Bafut and for Fundong. And they try for tell we say wetin grandstand for Fundong the Bonham. Then inside the same chapter they try for tell we say wetin they put Ambazonia flag from governor office them for that side, so for Fumban or for Fundong. So for inside the same chapter, they talk say palava money for help people them for Northwest and Southwest. They give advice from Kunkuma say wetin make e comot grand atango for say make e be head boy for local that money according to it the guidance post e talk am. Inside the same guidance post too, they try for tell we palava amatutumuna wey e dey so don carry e 2 brother dem for court on top number 35 day wey dey remember their mami wey e die. We take una enter for inside the Midian 2 way e dey for outside this time for the Midian. They tell we as we 3 lawyer people them they don last see Seseko Ayuk and Ikombi them for that side so for set for Yawende. They tell we all the lawyer their name and they talk say after the meeting e go dey like say they go start judge them small time. Inside the same Torim they tell we say wetin say Amba people them for that side so for Upper Bayang they don't make DO, mayor and even big people them for that side for run enter for Sosongo. This one e dey come where they ask BB question whether that plan where Nkunkuma be get for help Northwest and Southwest people them e go change anything for inside this chapter. The Midian e get 9 point them where e dey talk say na a mistake than that where francophone them they do for anglophone people them. All that to read them they dey for inside the Midian where you feel read them. Eden newspaper says way e dey for outside e get its own chapter for tell week on the people them. For Eden newspaper wey dey for outside e tell we say wetin Eden newspaper e dey try for tell we say last Seseko and Co they never go 6 feet. Yes, Seseko and Ikombi them they never go 6 feet. They say the one na after we lawyer people them they be go meet up them na me say anytime court e go start happen. Now so today they tell we palava for insecurity e dey make people the way they register other put their name them for vote thing they dey trunk for them according to way Eden e talk. Eden say e dey try for tell we for this morning time as well some police officer and 2 normal people them they die for that side so for Bamenda for Sika fight. Then they tell you to say diplomatic people them it means say combi them for Cameroon they don't stand give Kasingo for Cameroon sabi say woman ability Ndamba team e no be fit for go for outside for USA for Sika visa where US embassy e be deny them. Other to read them for inside the Eden. Make we enter now so for the Horizon where e dey to for outside con the people them. Horizon e dey tell we say wetin say Nkunkumam e don comot the last joker for how we go help people them for Northwest and Southwest. The one e dey come where army people that they talk say wetin make they comot Atanganji for work they put it for by force pension as wetin them they dey so work for Northwest and Southwest. Pro governor Tory people they say they talk people that they support Ngomna they talk as we United States e give money for Maurice Kamto, Osi Joshua and Akere Munam. Now for do waiting the Horizon e get the answer plus other to read them for Seseko Ayuk Tabem where e dey for before Horizon where e dey for outside today. Now so we come be them for newspaper they see their own side for Tory for this today so called people them. Before we finish make we take on a turn back from Dobom for talk say wetin na palava for she don quiet see as we pikin them then they enter for inside the house and come out for house. So, now so picking them, now so people that they enter, go for their house, then they turn back. Nobody na say na stream or na some water where they na watering we don't turn up. We know they for the watering for fine road. So people that get for taking that style for them for come out, enter the house and for go back. So now so we see country this afternoon with the social talk. Happy birthday for Makumbi, same Toriman, Kache Rene Echu. And congratulate for new picking we don't enter for house. Any I want be ambassador go turn back for some time. Make una hold am tight for outside.